In the magical land of Harmony Village, where the sky shimmered like a rainbow and the rivers sparkled like diamonds, there lived tiny, mischievous creatures called Teeniepings. Each Teenieping had a special power, and they were full of fun, laughter, and sometimes a little bit of trouble. One bright morning, Princess Heart woke up to a loud crash. "Oh no," she gasped, rushing to her window. There, in the middle of the garden, was Happy Teenieping, rolling on the grass, giggling uncontrollably. Beside her was Messy Teenieping, throwing flower petals in the air. "You too?" Princess Heart sighed with a smile. "What are you up to now?" "We were playing tag." Happy Teenieping squealed. But Messy Teenieping kept tripping over flowers. "I did not. The flowers were in my way." Messy Teenieping pouted. Just then, sparkly Teenieping fluttered over, wings shimmering in the sunlight. "Princess Heart, I just saw sneaky Teenieping running towards the forest with a bag of shiny gems." Princess Heart gasped. "Oh no. We need to catch sneaky Teenieping before she hides the gems. Let's go." With that, the Teeniepings zoomed through the village, past cotton candy trees and jelly bin bridges. As they reached the forest, they spotted sneaky Teenieping climbing a tall tree, her tiny bag of gems twinkling. "There she is," shouted Happy Teenieping. "Come down, Sneaky," called Princess Heart gently. "Those gems belong to everyone." "But they're so pretty," Sneaky Teenieping whined. "I just wanted to keep them forever." Princess Heart smiled kindly. "I know they are beautiful, but sharing them will make everyone happy. And when we share, we create even more joy." Sneaky Teenieping thought for a moment. "More joy? Really?" "Really," said sparkly Teenieping. "And we can all sparkle together." With a giggle, Sneaky Teenieping flew down. "Okay. Let's share the gems." They returned to the village, where the Teeniepings placed the shiny gems in the fountain. As the sun hit the water, the whole village sparkled with colors. "Wow!" Happy Teenieping cheered. "It's even better when we share." And from that day on, the Teeniepings learned that sharing not only made things brighter but made their hearts shine too.